Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's been a while since I've created one of these videos before, as my life has just been a little bit, not saying hectic, but I just moved to a new place, a new location, and moving can just be always a lot of energy, and you think that it won't take a lot of effort and all this stuff, but it does. And so, but we're in this lovely house. I'm super excited. I actually was like manifesting a bigger space, and I'm getting it. So I'm super excited. And so right now we are outside on my porch, on my deck. And I'm filming on my iPhone at the moment. So I apologize if you can hear any background noises. I live on a busy street. But right now I don't think it's too bad. And the weather is freaking awesome right now. I love it. I love the heat. It's like 24 degrees Celsius right now in Canada. And I'm so happy I'm able to film outside and all this stuff. So I'm super excited, like you can tell right now. But in today's video, I just want to do a quick video on law of attraction and what law of attraction is to me personally. Everyone has a different way of going about law of attraction. So what law of attraction means to you might mean something different to me, but I just hope that this video works for you guys, and I just want to always give you some valuable information, because I want, you to have like this awesome life, and basically telling you that you can create anything you want. And so that's the goal of this channel. So thank you so much for watching. But yeah, so today I want to talk about what is law of attraction to me. And basically how I view law of attraction is what I consistently think about all the time. I get that in my universe. And so, especially when thoughts I think about, I give emotion to. And emotion is really just energy that I give in a thought to, and like a consistent amount of thought. So if you have thoughts happening, like you're thinking about thoughts a lot throughout the day, but a lot of the thoughts you're not like internalizing, or you're not giving an emotion towards it, so it doesn't really mean nothing to you. But when say something bothers you, or something that makes you really happy, those thoughts are very more empowering, or they have more power within you, or you give that power to that thought, and that's how your feelings are coming about. And so with law of attraction and the universe, I believe the universe can't decide what's right and wrong. It just knows and delivers in your manifestation, whether it's good or bad, based about your emotions and the thoughts you continually to think, and which could be like your beliefs. And so the faster, or the more you emotionalize in a thought, and the more you think about that thought continually, the quicker it can become, which is good and bad, because that is good when you want to manifest something really great, but it can also have the negative effect of, having something bad happen to you, and you don't know why it's happened to you, you can only figure out why that's happening when you kind of consciously think about why you're thinking the way you're thinking. Because if you're maybe thinking negatively all the time, the universe is going to serve you up more negative things to think about. So, so that's my law of attraction, and how I like to define it. I like to make law of attraction very simple. I know out on the internet and other creators, they can go really deep into like the neuroscience and stuff, and I think that is somewhat interesting. But I think that generally people just want to know, like, how do I get what I want in life, And so, and easy and fast, and that's what I'm all about, because life's supposed to be meant to be enjoyed and having fun and all this stuff. And I think that, and I know definitely law of attraction has definitely been a vital part in my life, where whether something bad's happened, and maybe I've been in a rut, and then for a couple days, and it's because maybe I was tired, and then I give more emotion to that, and then all of a sudden I feel really bad, and other stuff bad's happening, and like friends cancel, and I get annoyed, but that's like all the same energy. But then I can be super happy, which is like 99% of the time, and things are going really well, and I'm feeling really great, and on this like wonderful journey. And so I like to basically define law of attraction very easily, and super, super simple for people to understand. And then because I think it's truly meant to be easy to understand, but I think a lot of people tend to overcomplicate it, this particular law. And yeah, like I said, law of attraction, how I think about it, it's basically the more consistent thought I've thought about a particular thing I want to have and the emotions I bring towards that thought, the quicker it comes to me. And so that can be either, like I said, either good or bad. It can be really, if it's a bad thought, then I keep continually thinking all those things, then more bad things can happen to me, and vice versa. So that's going to be great. And so knowing what that is, the law of attraction, as like the standard basics of it, it's going to really help you understand, to be able to get what you want in life, and using it to your advantage. And sometimes it's kind of like, is law of attraction like really, really, like, is it there? Like, is it, sometimes people might think it's like airy-fairy or not believable because we can't tangibly see it. But even Einstein said that like everything's energy and you create your reality. And that is, on the surface level, it's like, oh, okay, yeah, but like the deeper level, it's like, that's really incredible that we can do that. And I guess basically understanding this law, you're able to like create and craft your reality that you want to live in and get the things that you want to have in life. So you're able to have more fun in life and celebrate with other people and whatever you want to do. But yeah, this just wraps up this video. It's just a really quick one I wanted to do. I have 2 more coming out that are very short but sweet, and give you some really basic and simple explanation on LOA, or law of attraction. And thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful and magical day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.